Hello kids, today you will learn alphabet. Lemon green, parrot green, orange, red, yellow, sky blue.
A. Say with me. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for bag. C. Say with me. C. C for car. D. Say with me. D. D for doll. E. Say with me. E. E for eggplant. F. Say with me. F. F for fish. G. Say with me. G. G for girl. H. Say with me. H. H for hand. I. Say with me. I. I for ink. J. Say with me. J. J for jug. K. Say with me. K. K for kite. L. Say with me. L. L for lion. M. Say with me. M. M for moon. N. Say with me. N. N for nose. O. Say with me. O. O for onion. P. Say with me. P. P for potato. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for queen. R. Say with me. R. R for river. S. Say with me. S. S for star. T. Say with me. T. T for tree. U. Say with me. U. U for umbrella. V. Say with me. V. V for van. W. Say with me. W. W for water. X. Say with me. X.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yard. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zebra.
Subscribe for more videos.